Hello, my name is Dallin Einach. I'm a web developer. I've been doing this professionally for a little over a year now, and I've been building side projects on my own for a little over 2.5 years now. In the professional space, I've experience with .NET Core, C Sharp, and JavaScript using the Angular framework. And through my side projects, I have experience in Java, PHP, Python using the Django framework, and React. Um, I also know database languages such as SQL and professionally have experience with MongoDB. Um, so in the professional space, I worked in an agile environment, which I greatly enjoyed because you get a lot of back and forth from the business. So they tell you what you want or what they want, and you're able to make changes on the fly and build a product that you can both be happy about and both be proud of. So personally, I have a lot of passion, a lot of pride in my work. Something that I take or I have a lot of joy doing. So I'd like to be in a developer team that shares those same values because I think that your pride and your passion really shows forth in the applications that you build. So that is definitely something that I would say is one of my number one things is just a good culture fit with people that truly care about their applications.